Should I put lip gloss? Do, 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 do. Have the right to put lip gloss. Oh no. Lame. Hi guys. How you doing? Please focus. Okay. Hi, how are you doing? Greetings. I am Beauty ETC. I am a makeup enthusiast. I'm a makeup artist. I forgot for a minute what I was. I'm a makeup artist and I love all things beauty. Yes, that is my greeting. That is my intro. How are you guys doing today? So we are going to be talking MAC. First of all, let's talk about something. I have never heard MAC do a sale. In all the few years that I've been on planet Earth, I've never seen this kind of sale before. I never see them before. But, you know, things that we have never thought could happen have happened. For instance, the panoramic. For instance, working from home. For instance, holding church from home. For instance, etc, etc. Okay, so I think I'm now a believer in never say never. Okay, all right. So MAC had a phenomenal sale. Like what? Like kill them sale. Like pepper them sale. We all know that MAC has been kind of like,
oh,
I don't know, like nobody's buying. Like I don't know. Maybe some people are still buying MAC, but there was a day and a time and an age and a place where MAC was the end all be. Or if you didn't have MAC, who were you? Who? And you like makeup? How? MAC was the it. MAC was the. Anyways, let me get to the video. So I saw the sale and I was like, wow, sale. Okay. Did you guys hear about the sale? There were all kinds of sales. There was a sale that was 40. There was a sale that was 20% and 40%, which in one transaction you could do 2 codes in one. Ever heard of that? Well, I did it. I know because it worked for me, and it's not a scam because these are my products. Okay, I put everything together. I didn't get everything at once because the sales were just, oh my god, they wanted to kill us with sales. Okay, enough about that. So I didn't get too much because I have responsibilities, okay? So I can't use all my money for makeup. But, you know, when MAC does that kind of sale, you need to take advantage of an opportunity that may not come again. I don't know if they're ever going to have this kind of sale again. So, yes, baby girl and my friends, I had to. Alright, I got 2 palettes. 2 eyeshadow palettes. You guys know that I love eyeshadow palettes. These were on a very, very tasty, yummy, sweet sale. This was the first. This is the Surprise Eyes eyeshadow 6-pan warm palette. Surprise Eyes. But it's a very interesting packaging. Look at that. More you look, the less you see. I think this is really cute. MAC, I love it. And of course, you know MAC delivers. The quality of their products are always nice. So that is not the issue. It's just that I don't know what they were doing. I guess they were feeling themselves and they were not getting competitive anymore and other brands just rose up. You know, the case of nothing lasts forever. Do you guys read Sidney Sheldon? Because I love Sidney Sheldon. May his soul rest in peace. I have all of his books. Have you read Nothing Lasts Forever? Let me know in the comments down below. This is the second palette that I got, if I can get it. This is the size of the prize eyeshadow. This has 25 eyeshadow palettes. Now this was a little bit disappointing to me, but I will tell you why in a minute. But it has this. Oh, it looks like my camera is getting hypnotized by this thing. For real. The more you look, let me do this for you guys. Look. Okay, this is what it looks like inside, and it has a mirror. Could you believe it? Could you believe it? It has a mirror. Oh, look at that, beautiful. But I'm like, please, MAC, I know you could have done 10 eyeshadows. What, who? Please, this is so BH Cosmetics. 2007. Do you guys remember that big palette? I think I still have it just for nostalgia. But what is this? Why are the pans this small? I have some brushes that are bigger than this pan. How are we going to work this thing? I guess this fits. But it's so small. I don't like it. So I found 3 brushes. I was like, I must find brush for this matter. So let's see. I have a brush this big. It's the size of my brush. This is a Morphe brush. Well, I just don't like the pan sizes. What is this? This reminds me of 2008. But apart from that, getting away from the size of the palette, the eyeshadow pan, the colors are beautiful. They have some glitter in there and some transition. You have some beautiful transition colors. You have, you know, beautiful blues and greens. You have your topper colors, purples. It's MAC. It's beautiful. I like it. I just don't like the pan size. But I love the packaging. Clap for MAC. Clap for MAC. And of course, what is a MAC purchase without MAC lipsticks? First is Velvet Teddy. Velvet Teddy looks like that in the packaging. It's like this. Old school, you too. Can you see? It's a beautiful nude. Nude, my ladies that love nudes. Some of these colors are gonna go in my kit. Okay? This is kind of sexy. 6909. Kind of sexy. And it is also another nude. And it looks like so. Oh, my light is washing it out. I'm going to be using it in my videos. I know they kind of look alike, don't they? These are nudes. I'm going to be using the ones that I keep for myself in my videos. Excuse me, and I will let you guys know that this is, you know, I'm using this lipstick. I think for a spell there we stopped using lipstick, but lipstick and lip gloss and lip liner is very soft and is very, very sexy. Let's not forget that. Next, we have Velvet Punch, which is a powder kiss lipstick, and it looks like this. It is beautiful. Look at that. That is a beautiful pink. Ugh. Look at it. This reminds me kind of Candy Yum Yum. It is beautiful. We're just going to use my hair as the canvas so you can see the color, because my hands are not doing it any justice. Did you guys shop the MAC sale? Did I already ask you that? If so, what did you get? What do you guys think of the sale? Are you guys still shopping MAC? This is another color. This is Mocha. I already purchased this from Marshall's at some point, but I got another one. Just gonna do this. It's a bit clumsy, but that's what it looks like. Okay, I'm ghetto. So ratchet, but okay. I was saying that I got something like this before. I put that in my kit and I got one for myself. It was an incredible sale. This is Teddy 2.0. Teddy 2.0 looks like this. It's a powder kiss lipstick. It's nude. I think all of the colors that I got kind of look alike. But these are very, very beautiful on the lips, especially for those neutral, natural looks. For a lot of people that do not really like to wear colors on their lips. When you're going to work, you don't want too much color, but you still want color, you know? And of course I got Lady Danger. Lady Danger, who remembers? It's an orangey red. Lady Danger, I ran out of it, and I got some more, baby. That is Lady Danger, and the camera is not doing it any justice. Lady Danger is a beautiful reddish orange color. Look at it. Look. Lady Danger. Just go back. Just put in Lady Danger into YouTube and see the kind of videos that come up. A free brush with every purchase. We're gonna use a hair. I got this brush. A free brush, kind of sexy, was the free lipstick. So with every purchase, you got a free lipstick. If you purchase a certain amount, you got a free lipstick and a free brush. I mean, thank you, MAC, but they were doing a mad sale, and then they were giving out free stuff, free sample face spray thingies. The mine's are so, the sample's so small. I was like, what is this? What am I gonna do with it? It's like the size of those sample perfumes that they give you, throw in your bag when you purchase from Sephora or Ulta or whatever. It's too small. But Fix Plus, yes, that's what it is. I have to look at the bottle to know what. So there was freebies. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment. Please like my video. I see you in my next video. Mwah.